How's it? I'm Kev. Here I am creating a new cutting in the layout for a 450mm radius track. And here's a photo of the layout from above. Here's the canal and the stairs I've already made. And here's where the red line will go, high up on a stone viaduct. And here's the cutting I've just made, where the purple line will run. I plan to enclose the layout in 4 sets of low relief housing, and I'll be able to remove the housing to shoot video. I've decided this is a better route for the purple line, which means all this will have to go. Thanks for watching.